It's only when one breaks cover available. The harpy's way of hunting comes at a price. To fly with prey as heavy as a monkey, it must build enough muscle to become the most powerful eagle on Earth. Raising a harpy chick, therefore, takes an extraordinary commitment. Harpies have the longest period of parental care of any bird of prey. They feed their chick for up to 2 years. In that time, the parents will bring it over 200 monkeys and sloths.